I have 10 years of work experience and I work in the IT sector, will a 2-year MBA program make sense for you? So my response is, there are two things to look at. One is whether they'll take you. One. Second, if they take you, will they help you in meeting your short-term and long-term aspirations? Now, if you're headed to a 2-year program, very likely, not very likely, the reality is that their average work experiences is currently 4 to 5 years. That essentially means that a B school is a marketplace for recruiters and MBA applicants. So most of the recruiters that will come to a 2-year MBA program will come to hire people that have 4 to 5 years of work experiences, and they will come for certain specific positions in mind. So they'll come for certain specific roles and responsibilities that are very well suited for somebody who has 4 to 5 years of work experience, right? Now, even if a school accepts you you have 10 years of work experience, you might feel that, you know what, the kind of positions, the kind of things, the kind of roles and responsibilities that you had in mind, it is not, working with these kind of employees is not worthy of my time. When I was leading a 30-member team, I was earning so much of money out there already. Why am I coming to this program? Now, you know what? What do? You find people that go to school based on the current work experience spectrum that you have. Maybe explore 1-year MBA programs. Out there, everybody will be in a higher work experience bracket. And all the employers that went to those 2-year MBA programs or slightly lesser experienced positions will go to the more experienced 1-year MBA programs for the senior positions. And that is when you will meet them at the right spot. The only reason if somebody has 10 years of work experience and is keen on doing a 2-year MBA is if they are looking at a very, very significant shift in their entire industry and function. And you want to do a lot of experiments and you think whatever you've done is a complete shift, which means all the 10 years of learning curve and the momentum that you have, you want a fresh start. And you are keen on taking the risk of doing that experiment. With 4 to 5 years of experience, the risk is not that much. Because you are almost like you've learned a lot of concepts, a lot of transferable skill set, but you're still open to trying a lot of new things out. But given the fact that you're 10 years out of undergrad and you've reached a certain stage in your life, moving over and ruling out everything that you've done maybe will not make sense for you. So my suggestion is, even if some of the 2-year MBA programs take you, you should honestly evaluate why that place is the right place for you and where are you headed in your short-term, long-term aspirations. Also speak with some of the existing students in those programs to find out what are the exact roles and responsibilities are your target employers picking people for. And if that matches what you want in your life, go for it. If it does not, maybe look for some other programs. Thank you.